Hey, how you going? Alex Ryan here. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. A common question that I get often asked is when you're buying stuff for your Amazon store, maybe you got an eBay store, maybe you're just importing from China and selling on e-commerce. How do you go about paying your supplier? What's the strategy to paying your supplier? And I wish I had known this many years ago when I got started in importing from China and selling stuff online like Amazon. And I wish I sort of knew this. There are a couple of ways to pay your suppliers or pay factories. The number one way is obviously if you're buying on Alibaba, there's something called Alipay or something called escrow, which means you pay them. You pay a third party, they hold the money until the goods are delivered or prior to shipment. When the goods get shipped over, they receive the balance. So usually it's about 50%, sometimes 30% up front. And then when it's ready to ship, prior to shipment, they'll issue an invoice and you'll pay the balance, right? Now, that's one way, and that's probably the safest way, escrow. And when you pay an escrow, I usually pay by credit card, which actually gives me extra insurance because I have a really good credit card and gives me good insurance on goods purchased, right? So if something does happen, I've got double insurance, but nothing's happened so far, knock on wood. If you get asked to pay by Western Union, do not ever pay by Western Union because it's untraceable. They can literally get a fake ID, they can get you to pay to a fake name, they'll go into a fake ID, collect the money and never send you a thing. So don't pay by Western Union. TT, same thing. TT, I would not pay. I would never pay 100% up front. I would always have to pay 30% or 50%, right? You can get away with that, but never pay up front. You want to start seeing some progress reports. You want to make sure that they are actually working on your product. They actually are doing some stuff. Just keep that in mind. So never pay by Western Union. PayPal is okay. There is some protections there. Credit card is okay. Some of these suppliers actually do accept credit cards. That's okay. But escrow is probably the safest. If you are buying on Alibaba, Alipay is good. I think dhgate.com is something I use to buy a lot of wholesale and a lot of items as well. They've got their own escrow service as well. So keep that in mind, guys. There's a lot of options out there when you are paying suppliers. There's a lot of options, obviously, where suppliers are, it's a little bit more relaxed, and obviously suppliers can do a few dirty things to you, but just keep that in mind. I hope you're having an awesome day, guys. If you are looking to import from China, maybe start an Amazon business, then please share the love, comment below, and share this video, and hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Also, visit my website. I've got a free video program there showing you how to get started. Have an awesome day. See you later.